Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Chevrolet Colorado. This mid-size pickup truck has been completely redesigned for the new model year, and it's looking better than ever. Exterior. The exterior of the 2024 Colorado is bold and muscular. The front end features a new grille that's flanked by LED headlights. The hood is sculpted and gives the truck a more aggressive look. The sides of the truck are clean and simple, with flared fenders that give it a wider stance. The rear end features new taillights and a tailgate that's stamped with the Chevrolet logo. Interior. The interior of the 2024 Colorado is all new and it's a huge step up from the previous model. The dashboard is well designed and features a variety of soft touch materials. The center console is home to a new infotainment system that's available with up to an 8-inch touchscreen. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom for front and rear passengers. Bumper. The front and rear bumpers on the 2024 Colorado are made of durable materials and they're designed to protect the truck from damage. The front bumper features integrated fog lights and tow hooks. The rear bumper features a step pad for easy access to the bed of the truck. Headlights. The 2024 Colorado comes standard with LED headlights. These headlights provide excellent visibility at night and they also add to the truck's aggressive look. Backlights. The 2024 Colorado comes standard with LED taillights. These taillights are bright and easy to see, even in low light conditions. Seats. The front seats on the 2024 Colorado are comfortable and supportive. They offer plenty of legroom and headroom for even the tallest drivers. The rear seats are also comfortable and offer plenty of legroom for passengers. Dashboard. The dashboard on the 2024 Colorado is well designed and features a variety of soft touch materials. The center console is home to a new infotainment system that's available with up to an 8-inch touchscreen. Engine. The 2024 Colorado comes standard with a 2.5 liters 4-cylinder engine that produces 200 horsepower and 191 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. A 3.6 liters V6 engine is also available, which produces 308 horsepower and 275 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Wheels. The 2024 Colorado comes standard with 17-inch alloy wheels. Larger wheels, up to 18 inches, are available as options. So, that's a look at the all-new 2024 Chevrolet Colorado. It's a great mid-size pickup truck that offers a lot of value for the money. If you're looking for a new pickup truck, be sure to check out the Colorado.